I'm Alex, and I'd like to share with you one of my best memories from being involved in the Kent Law Clinic. This was during my second year, and I decided to do the clinic module, so there was a lot of excitement around getting to work on a real case, meeting clients, and start gathering some experience on the practical side of things. But what I want to share with you is actually something that happened during a clinic meeting. The topic was around property law, and we were discussing a case that the clinic had recently taken on. And as the students started presenting the facts and the law around that case, and we started talking about it, I realized that what we were dealing with is actually very closely connected to something we had done the previous year in Foundations of Property. This was one of those moments when you realize that what you learn during this law degree is actually very relevant and has an impact on people in real life. So for me personally, this was a great moment when I recognized that all this hard work that we're doing, even though it might seem so abstract when you read all those books and cases and legislation, it does actually affect all of us in everyday life. So I believe that the greatest thing about the law clinic, giving the students opportunities to do all this practical learning, is how much better you can understand the law through that, and how many more skills you can develop out of it, which will not only help you during your studies, but also later in life. So as you can see from my experience, even the clinic meeting, which might not seem quite as exciting as working directly on a case, is a wonderful learning opportunity and also a chance to connect with your peers. So I would therefore encourage you to also get involved as much as you can with the clinic through the various ways which are available this year. The solicitors there are working very hard to make sure there's plenty of opportunities for everyone, especially with most things being online. So make sure you make the most out of those, and I hope that you can have as many amazing experiences as I did.